Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So just want to create this short video as an informational message to share with all of my subscribers and followers, which is in recent years I've been noticing more and more WordPress website being hacked, and all the normal and common web hosting they are charging a few hundreds of dollars to help you to clean the malware. So it can be very expensive if you do not know how to protect your WordPress website, and end up you will be spending a lot of money to having someone to remove the malware for you. And it's very critical, especially if your website is making you money. If you are running a WooCommerce or e-commerce website, it is very mission critical to protect your website against malware. So today I want to share a view is that Cloudways have recently introduced a feature, and this feature is called the malware protection. And you can see that is a new highlighted over here. So if you are hosting with Cloudways, you can simply go to your application, which is a website, and click on malware protection. And only for $4 a month, they can help you to protect against malware. And most importantly, they can clean up the infected files automatically. And I have never seen this feature in other web hosting, because all other web hosting are charging few $100s to help you clean up the malware. So I strongly recommend, if you are looking for web hosting, you can choose Cloudways. If currently you are facing some issue with your web hosting providers, you can also choose Cloudways. If you have questions regarding Cloudways hosting, you can feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be able to help you with your questions, or you can post your questions in the video below. So lastly, I just want to highlight to you also that if you have 15 or more websites, it only costs $2 per month for this malware protection feature for each website. So that's definitely a very powerful feature to take note that I've never seen in other web hosting. So I hope that you find this video useful and has helped you, so that in future, if things are needed, you can reach out to Cloudways to have your malware removed. Thank you.